You just found the 2022 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a capable 4Runner that offers impressive off-road ruggedness, a comfortable interior, family-friendly design, and impressive towing capacity. Can you hear the trail calling? The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, power passenger seat, satellite radio, premium sound system. Feel prepared for every adventure in this capable 4Runner. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.